Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel TechUp, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can get your Yubo account back. To do so, first of all, go on to Yubo. From here, click on the profile avatar on the top right side of your screen. From here again, click on to settings and now scroll down until you see an option for help. Click on help and click on I have a question. From here, go on to your my account. And after coming into my account, you can see all of these options that are common issues and questions. If I scroll down, you can see options where I want to cover my delete account, or you want to see any other options there here as well. Now click on I want to recover my account. It will show you the answer to your question. Unfortunately, there is no way to recover or delete your account on Yubo. So if you want to use the app again, you will need to create a new account. So unfortunately, you cannot get your Yubo account back if you have deleted or forgot about it, because it will not be possible. To use the Yubo, you just have to create a new account again. I hope you guys found the information of our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for a review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.